Today is a sunny sunshine after Black Friday. So guess what I need to do? I need to clean up my closet because my closet is messy. This time I saw you guys like my video about my dresser cleaning day. So I want to do closet cleaning finally 2 months later after I was traveling whole entire time. Friday sale, which is I shopping whole entire day yesterday. Like I love online shopping. So everything I mark up and back, and then I was a lot of new items. Then next video I want to show about what I got this Black Friday sale deal. If I shop that much, I need to clean it up my closet so I can fit it up my new clothing. And then I also want to unload it in Depop that what I want to, like sell it because it's messy right now. Oh. This is before. It's so messy. I can't believe it is messy, how messy it is. This jacket and activewear. I have all the sweater, jeans, and makeup. Messy. Please don't look. And Halloween costume, Christmas light, all my jewelry, bag, and yeah, so many like whatever the shitty thing is like up there. So I definitely want to clean this. We cannot. How long it's gonna take to clean it my closet whole day today? Oh, my allergy is kicking. But let's start this cleaning up. I wanna take all the basket here first. My activewear pants. I still have a lot here. I'm just gonna take it off. Everything.
I'm not gonna say what I have here. Like messy. I don't want this messiness.
Clean the 6 boxes. And definitely I want to make it clean jacket series here. Long dress is not gonna bother us like right there. That doesn't make sense to me anymore. I want to clean by like color. I also have here, so I have a lot of furry thing, so I want to push to furry here because it's very wintry, but like in like airplane is so loud in my home. I bought this like long ago, a couple years ago. It's very cute, but I don't wear it anymore. But for now, no. Sorry, Don. I have this like jean jacket. This. Oh. Like if I fold it like this, and if I like do like ponytail and then wearing like this, is very cute. And then this is go to everywhere, so I want to keep it. It's from Addicted where I work, so please. So now Black Friday sale. I'm pretty sure once this video go up, maybe it's finished, but it's still on sale or something. So please make sure you purchase this, and this is very cute top. And yes, so I'm gonna keep it. It's very cute. I will show this like styling look in Addicted. It's very cute, but it's for myself. I don't think it's gonna work. It's very like cute, like but very short to me. I'm not sure. Something is not working. Like I don't know what it is, but it's just not my thing. So it's no. Favorite hood zip up brand, Sexy Mix. So one of my friends recommended this brand. Oh, this food is amazing, right? It's like perfect volume and thickness. It's not like just a regular cheap texture, and it's like perfect hood. My head is like hurting. So this is like good for like workout, like hoodie, just like simple thing. It's really cute. This Jackson's is Korean brand. Also, my favorite hood brand is A-Cat. I think you should guys check it out, that website too, because they have like perfect color for the winter and all the season. My favorite hoodie in this winter. I'm wearing this hoodie everywhere. It's from Name That Collected. The hoodie is perfect, and oh my god, this detail Isn't it perfect? And definitely cheap though. My bank account was like kind of sad about it, but I think it was worth it. I wear it at least 3 times, so it's, you know, we have like calculating, and then it's gonna be $40. So I guess I made it as 3 times already. 4 times, 5 times. I already wear 5 times, I think. Yeah. Gone. This is only locked. It's insane, I guess. Oh, I have this hoodie. This pretty hoodie. Different corner. Okay, this messy corner. Long, like, ooh, this is gorgeous, and then like really different. Like your face is on body. That is sexy and it's silky white. It was sold out in America, so I had to order in Korea from my mom and send it to me. I was that desperate. I don't know. It was so unique. I love these pieces. I wear it only once, but if there's any chance that I need to wear it, I'll wear it. Dress is from Realization Park. Whoa, this print and yellow and red flower. Even though I pay a lot to get this dress, it is very definitely worth it. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. So, okay, that is very cute. I've worn a lot of times. This is very cute. Look, wow. Like, it's like chill, but it's like not so like dark, but it's like a suede, but it's still fur in it. Oh my god, this is just a perfect jacket. Like, I got this jacket in Magnolia thrift store. I mean, the one thing is there's no pocket, but like we're a girly girl. We don't really need the pocket sometimes, so it's fine. I really love it. It's like a minimalized but still accent in it, and then I love it. The price too. So I'm definitely keeping this jacket. This is a very cute pattern. I believe so. But somehow I don't know why it's not working. Like, I think because I don't like this neck part. I don't like anything covering up my neck, so it's not like working to me. Sorry. So whoever like colored this pattern, please get my Depop here again, and then please grab it from there. All the hanger. Still lots things to do. It's crazy. I'm like losing my words. I don't know how long it's gonna take, like taking video and cleaning, video taking. I can't even speak out. Like my whole room is messy again. How many people have this much swimmy? Like, and I don't really know if it's appropriate to resell it or not. Their choice, what they want to buy or not. First of all, I want to switch this box because I normally grabbing a lot of activewear a lot because I work out like 3-4 times in a week. But I don't really wear swimwear unless it's like summer, and then like that's even barely happens. So I don't need to like grabbing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I think I want to switch this box like this. It's clean. This basket is activewear. This is swimming. It's still, I have a lot, but still not bad because I cleaned it up a lot. So whenever I need it, I can take it out. This whole thing is a scarf. I'm at such a thrift store. Well, I was thinking how can I clean it up, but I just remember I have a leftover hanger like this and just tied it up. So I know what scarf I have here. What about this? It's like a brown tone. It's cute. I think it's very cute. Scarf collection is done. It's done. All the summer scarf is ready. It's brown tone and neutral, all the color, and then I just want to hang. Simple, and then I know what scarf I have, or I want to edit, I can edit, but I think I should not edit anymore. it took like 2-3 hours. And then I wanna clean it up by this like weird makeup boxes so I can clean it up. Yes. Okay, another course is coming. Stay tuned.
One eternity later.
Damn closet cleaning is never finished. It's like hours and hours doing it. But I think almost done. But this many clothing I'm not gonna wear, or I did not wear. So I wanna post on Depop, or I wanna just donate it somewhere. I have some type of phobia cleaning little tiny thing. But this week I'm really trying to organize before New Year's, because this little tiny organize makes my life change. Like I wanna organize drawer. I organized my kitchen drawer. That made me feel so great because I know where it's at, everything. So I want to try this one too, like my makeup box and then my junky box, everything that I need to clean it up, and then I want to finish good. On this hat that I got last year from my boss when we have like really hot photo shoot. I will try my best. And this hat, it's amazing for any photo shoot. So if you need anything, if you are like having a photo shoot and it's so hot but still you can breathe, you can buy it in Chinatown in $5. It's not an ad, but if you wanna put any advertise on my YouTube, please let me know. This 250 subscriber might gonna buy your product. Oh my junkie. Not that I'm junky, it's just like a little collection of like my travel, my letters, and sunglasses, and I don't even know what it is, but we need to figure out, and I want to clean it up really nicely. What we need, my old iPhone is actually working. My old iPhone is 14. Compare with it, look how big. How we use, I'm like, isn't it crazy? We used to use this small smartphone, and then even like my previous phone that wasn't a smartphone was like even smaller than this. Of course it's taking forever, but everything works if I'm on it, if I'm like see the album and Instagram and everything. And then like, I love this pink, I don't know, it's like a rose gold. Like I wish they make it like some silver like this. See, this is working. And I want like a photo. If you go to photo, look, it's working. Like old messages I can see. Crazy. The boxes are done. Finally, we're done. Current time is 3:16. So 3:16 right now, but I start cleaning 9:44. I like check it up like my first video. I'm like, oh my god. So I've been on and off like 6 hours in front of the closet. Thank God I start early, so I still have a little bit of sun to enjoy. Oh my gosh, clean. Wow, nothing, like I have no problem. And another clean. And this is clean. Oh, my bed pile of the clothing that I don't wear. I'm gonna post on Depop, so please, I'm gonna try tomorrow, try on everything, but right now I can't do it anymore. I'm done with the clothing, so this is really great, and bye bye.